India, a land of vibrant cultures, rich traditions and diverse flavors. From every corner of this country, our culinary heritage has created a tapestry of unique tastes that bind us together. Drawing inspiration from this diversity, Anmol has captured the essence of India's flavors, blending tradition with innovation. Today, Anmol stands as a proud ambassador of Indian taste, offering the world not just biscuits, but a true taste of India. In 1994, Baijnath Chaudhary had a simple dream: to create the best biscuits in India. What began as a small factory in Kolkata has now become a global ambassador of taste.
Each day is a new lesson in our industry. We have consistently delivered new products in the market, capturing people's imagination through taste and texture. At the same time, we have to maintain our signature taste. It is not an easy challenge to meet, but with every batch of biscuit, cookies or cake, we know we are creating something special, something that would stand the test of time.
As demand surged, Anmol expanded its reach, now producing over 61 products across 21 plus flavors and operating 7 advanced manufacturing plants across India. In the culturally rich city of Kolkata, Anmol's cutting-edge production line specializes in wafers and cookies. Apart from its diverse offerings, focuses on producing healthy and premium options for all. With a pioneering R&D center, this plant is the heart of Anmol's innovation, where food technologists develop new flavors and refine classic recipes.
Our dedication to quality and consistency at these plants what makes Anmol a trusted name in households and across the nation and the world.
Our plant in Bhubaneswar, Odisha is a marvel of green engineering. Solar integrated and eco-friendly, this state-of-the-art facility highlights Anmol's commitment to sustainability while setting industry standards in environmental responsibility. In Hajipur, Bihar, Anmol continues its pursuit of indulgence, crafting mouth-watering cupcakes and layer cakes. This facility, equipped with advanced baking technology, ensures that every cake is a sensory delight, satisfying the sweet tooth of millions. Noida, near India's capital, stands as one of Anmol's most significant facilities. This pioneering hub has been manufacturing a wide range of biscuits and cookies for years, playing a vital role in meeting the growing global demand for Anmol's signature products. To further expand, Anmol has established a new base at Thakurganj, producing a variety of biscuits and crunchy rusks that set new standards in taste and quality. This future-ready plant features advanced automation and world-class production capabilities, adhering to international standards. Together, a workforce of over 4,000 individuals brings to life a wide variety of nutritious products.
Anmol's strength lies in nurturing talent, driving growth through strategic financial management and ensuring seamless operations with cutting-edge technology.
Anmol products reach nearly 20 lakh outlets across the subcontinent, with an annual turnover of 1,500 crore expected to soon touch 2,000 crore in the coming years.
Our journey was not always easy, especially during COVID-19 pandemic, but our unwavering dedication to our vision and values guided us through every challenge.
Each day brings a new opportunity for us to learn and innovate in our industry. With every brand of our biscuits, cakes or cookies, we strive to create something extraordinary.
With a sharp focus on quality and taste, Anmol has also transcended borders, making its mark globally in 34 countries across 4 continents. Anmol's commitment to quality and safety is backed by globally recognized standards. Its meticulous packaging and robust logistics ensure freshness in every bite, delivering the joy of Indian flavors to consumers worldwide.
From sourcing the finest ingredients to implementing rigorous quality control measures, Anmol ensures that each product is perfect blend of taste and tradition.
From a humble dream to a legacy of taste and tradition, Anmol Industries continues to spread joy under the strong leadership of the second and third generations.
Anmol Industries' dedication to quality is unmatched in the industry. Our unwavering commitment to quality and taste resonates with consumers worldwide, making Anmol a beloved international brand.
With various CSR initiatives, Anmol Industries ensures that the community around it also enjoys a better quality of life. It's equally dedicated to business excellence and growth. With a robust presence in the industry, Anmol is expanding rapidly, creating benchmarks in both product variety and market leadership.
Anmol means precious or priceless. Our goal was simple, to create biscuits that families could trust and enjoy. This commitment to quality and taste became our stepping stone towards success. We wanted every bite to evoke a sense of home and happiness.
Anmol Industries will continue to stay true to its mission, to spread joy through every bite. And this journey of taste and tradition will continue to satisfy and inspire millions every day.
हर घर अनमोल हर पल अनमोल ये